Google just dropped something crazy. It's called Google Stitch. And the new updates are absolutely insane. Like, we're talking about building a full website by just talking to it insanely. No coding, no design skills, no expensive agency, just your ideas, and AI doing all the heavy lifting. And by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how this works and how you can use it right now to grow your business faster than ever before. Here's what most people don't get. Design used to be the bottleneck. You had an idea, then you needed a designer, then a developer, then revisions, then more revisions. Then maybe 6 weeks later, you had something live. That's dead now. Google Stitch just killed that whole process. You describe what you want and it builds it. Instantly, that's the shift. That's what we're covering today. It's an AI-powered design tool. You give it a text prompt or even a rough sketch, and it turns that into a real working UI. Full layouts, real front-end code, HTML, CSS, React, whatever you need. It's not a mock-up. It's not a wireframe. It's actual usable stuff you can ship. And with the 2.0 updates, it just got 5 times more powerful. We're going to break down every single upgrade, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use each one to build something real, like a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom, so you can see what this looks like in the real world. If you're trying to grow your business using AI tools like Google Stitch, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious entrepreneurs learn how to use AI to automate their business, save hours every week, and build faster than their competition. We go deep on tools, exactly like this one. We show you the prompts, the workflows, the systems, everything you need to actually implement this stuff, not just watch videos about it. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Okay, back to it. For this update, you were working screen by screen. You design one page, then jump to another, then lose track of how they connected. It was messy. Now there's one massive endless workspace. Your whole product lives in one place. You can see every screen, every page, every flow all at once. This is huge for planning. When you can see the full picture, you make better decisions, you catch problems early, your designs feel more connected because they actually are. For something like the AI Profit Boardroom, imagine mapping out the entire member journey in one view. The landing page, the onboarding flow, the dashboard, the community pages, all laid out so you can see exactly how someone moves from stranger to paying member. That's the kind of clarity this gives you. This was one of the biggest complaints about AI design tools before. You'd build something, come back the next day, make one small change, and suddenly the whole thing looked different. Wrong colors, wrong fonts, different spacing. It felt like starting over every time. Stitch 2.0 fixes this. The AI now remembers your colors, your typography, your layout choices, your previous prompts, everything. So when you go back and add a new section or tweak a page, it builds on what already exists. It stays consistent automatically. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this means every new page we create, see whether it's a sales page, a webinar registration page, or a new feature announcement, it all looks and feels like the same brand. No more patchwork mess, clean, consistent, professional every single time. This one genuinely blew my mind. You can now literally talk to Stitch and it builds in real time as you speak. You say add a hero section with a bold headline about AI automation and it does it. You say make the button bigger and change it to orange and it does it. You say create a full page explaining the benefits of joining the AI Profit Boardroom community and it builds the whole thing while you watch. This is what people are calling vibe designing. You stop being the person who executes and you become the person who directs. Your job is just to have clear ideas and communicate them well. The AI handles everything else. Think about what that means for speed. You can go from blank canvas to full landing page in under 10 minutes just by talking. That is not an exaggeration. Old way. You design a page, then you manually link it to the next page, then the next, then the next. It took forever and it was boring and nobody wanted to do it. New way, Stitch does it automatically. It understands how your screens connect and builds the links for you. So now you have a fully clickable prototype without doing any of that manual work. You can share it with your team. You can test the user flow. You can show a client exactly what the finished product will feel like before a single line of code is written. For the AI Profit Boardroom, imagine showing a potential partner exactly how the member experience works. Click through the landing page, into the sign-up flow, into the member dashboard, all interactive, all automatic. That kind of demo closes deals. This is the one that fixes everything long-term. Stitch 2.0 has a file called design.md. It's basically the brain of your whole brand. Inside it, you store your brand colors, your fonts, your spacing rules, your visual style, everything that defines how your brand looks. And once it's set up, every single screen you create automatically follows those rules. You never have to manually set a color again. You never have to remind the AI what font you use. It just knows. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this is massive. We can set up the design system once, and then every new page, every new feature, every new piece of content we design will automatically match the brand. Consistent, professional, fast. Because speed is the game now. The people who win are the ones who can build fast, test fast, and improve fast. Google Stitch 2.0 removes the biggest bottleneck in that process. Execution used to slow everything down. Now it doesn't. Now the only thing that limits you is the quality of your ideas and your ability to communicate them clearly. That's it. Startups, agencies, solopreneurs, content creators, anyone building something online right now has a massive advantage if they use this tool. And if you're not using it, someone else is. Someone who's moving faster, testing more, and shipping better products while you're still waiting on revisions. Stop thinking like someone who builds things. Start thinking like someone who directs things. Your job is vision and clarity. Let the AI handle execution. That's the mindset that wins in 2025 and beyond. First, if you want to go deep on tools like Google Stitch and actually implement them inside your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go beyond the tutorials and get into real systems, real workflows, and real results. We show you how to use AI to run your business better, move faster, and stay ahead of what's coming. The link is in the description. Go check it out right now. Second, if you want free access to over 100 AI use cases, full SOPs, video notes from every video like this one, and a community of over 40,000 people using AI to grow their businesses, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. Link is in the comments and the description. 40,000 members all crushing it with AI. You should be in there. That's it for today. Comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Julian reads every single comment, and I'll see you in the next one.